She can handle the night with her old friends, eat lunch at the diner where they both met, smile at the photos saved on her phone. She can still dance to their song all alone, till the clouds come rolling in and the storm's about to begin. Emotions way too strong to ignore. So when it rains, she pours herself a strong one. She pours out her heart, talking to a memory buried in the dark. The final night he walked out in a storm. When it rains, she pours. Takes a trip out to Cali to bathe in the sun, get space from her place, have a little more fun, taking walks on the beach with her toes in the sand. There's a million other guys, so she's willing to give it a try, till the memory like thunder starts to roll. So when it rains, she pours herself a strong one. She pours out her heart, talking to a memory buried in the dark. The final night he walked out in a storm, to water on the windshield, fire in the streets. He lost control and she lost him, so to drown those memories, she pours herself a strong one. She pours out her heart, talking to a memory buried in the dark. The final night he walked out in a storm. No amount of whiskey gonna keep her warm. When it rains, she pours. When it rains, she pours.